I lay in bed at night thinking about this stuff so you don't have to, Jay. Why a stockbroker can do that and you can't is because since the beginning of the time, typically around 8 to 10 years old, we're exposed to, we figure out what the stock market is. Maybe we watch Greed is Good. Michael Douglas, Gordon Gekko, I love you. I watched that movie at 12 years old, changed my life, okay? But at 12 years old, I realized when it comes to stocks, it is a known fact that they do this, right? So there's no reason for a stockbroker to have to say, hey, no sweat, I'll get you the next best price. Because everybody knows, they can see it on their phone that the stock price is gonna go up and down. We're not selling stocks. I think most of us on the coaching call today aren't right now. So we have to let them know, right? And instead of saying, hey, this is the best pricing we ever had and you don't want to miss out on this and this is the best time for you to jump on it, when you're cool, calm, and collected and you go, listen, I get it. I understand, right? You might need some time to think about this, which is why I have moved heaven and earth and called in a few favors to lock in this price for 5 days, right? So you got 5 days, run it by whoever you need to run it and do what you need to do. I just need to be crystal clear about something. That is a hard stop on the 5th day. Not a, it's only the 6th day. Can you make good? I can't, right? What is the price going to be on the 6th day? I don't know. I have to reprice. My organization will allow me to lock this in for 5 days. If we miss out on this price in this window and it goes up, I will work with you. I will call in favors then when I can, and I will find the next best price for you. That's somebody that goes, okay, that's a reasonable articulation, right? Which is why nobody calls Fidelity or JP Morgan Chase or whoever it is that they're working with and going, hey, Netflix was 408 on Tuesday and it's 415 now. I want to buy it at 408. Well, did you purchase any options? No, I just want that price. Yeah, it doesn't work like that. Like everybody knows it doesn't work like that. So this is where we have to be more articulate. If you work in sales and you need to make twice as much money as you do right now to really enjoy your life, you've really only got 3 options. Option number 1, you can continue to work your butt off in the job you have right now, hoping for some sort of miracle to happen, where you start taking home double the money while doing things the exact same way you do them right now. That's pretty unlikely. Or option number 2, you can look for another job at a totally different company, hoping you're gonna catch some sort of once-in-a-lifetime wave where sales just seem to flow your way. All right, again, highly unlikely, and we both know waves in sales, well, they don't last very long. Or option number 3, you can click the button here and get instant access to a simple, straightforward sales process that will help you take home twice as much money as you do right now while putting in far less effort than you do today. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University, the most effective sales coaching system in the world. If you click the button, you're gonna see how our interactive sales coaching portal and weekly live coaching sessions with me will help you double your income within 60 days. Easton University is more than an interactive sales coaching portal. It's more than being able to ask me questions in a live setting every single week. It's your future, and you and your future are worth it. Click the button. I will see you on the other side. Your life is about to get a lot better. Click through now.